Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com. In this video, I'm going to give you another Luminar 4 tutorial, and this one's going to be a quick one, but it's going to show you how easy it is, how easy they make it to actually install Luminar presets into your software. Much like other programs comparably to Lightroom, they make it fairly difficult, but Luminar has a very easy process for this. So the one thing I want to show you actually right before we get started is, if you're not familiar with Luminar and you're not familiar with the Luminar looks that they call them, you want to kind of play around with those. Luminar has some built in. You can see here, if we go down to the bottom and you see Luminar looks, once you have your photo selected, you click on this menu here and you have some different built-in looks that they have. Again, these are similar to presets, and you can click on any one of these. Mine is just set on the essentials, but you can actually import your own as well. And if you're not familiar with, if you haven't bought some before, what you can do is actually go to the Luminar presets page here, and I'll put the link in the description down below. It's just skyloom.com/luminar/new-presets, and that'll take you to this presets page where you can download a bunch of these free looks that you can play around with. And even Sleeklens, if you want to go ahead and download the color essentials from Sleeklens here, that's a free download. I'm actually going to download these so I can show you how to install these in Luminar. So I'm going to click this free download, go ahead and allow that, and what it's going to do is give me a zip file. So when I'm on a Mac, obviously, so all I got to do is just double click on this zip file to unpack it, and it's going to give you an MP Loom-Pack file. And so this is the file that you're actually going to use to import into Luminar. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this window here. And the way that you put these looks into your Luminar software is very simple. And all you really do is go up to File, Add Luminar Looks Collection. Click there. And now you're going to look for that MP Loom-Pack file. This is a different one. So I'm going to go to my downloads. Let's go ahead and sort these by date modified. There we go. And we're going to click on the Color Essentials, click Open, and that's going to go ahead and let you know that your Color Essentials has been successfully added to your Luminar. Click OK here. And now you can see under our Luminar looks, we have Color Essentials here, and it's gone ahead and built that in to our looks panel here. We got a bunch of others we can choose from. And now we can go ahead and play around with these looks. We can play around with this little faded black and white here, makes it kind of cool. Some different tones. This one's called Good Morning. Just a lot of different looks that you can add to your photos with just one click. And also another difference compared to some other programs out there, you actually have an amount slider built in. You don't have to get a separate plugin for this. You can actually take this amount slider and just kind of bring in some of your old look, the original look, and kind of mix that in so you get different variations of these Luminar color looks. So just a quick little tutorial on Luminar. If you're not familiar with it, go ahead and check it out. Link in the description down below if you want to look for more information about that. And as always, this has been Jordan from Sleeklens, and I'll see you in the next video.